moving to fiscal year 12, and this is much more important for me because fiscal year 11 is already done, so I cannot change it anymore. I cannot do anything about it. It is like it is. But looking for the year fiscal year 12 for us, starting just 2 days ago, the one thing I'm very much more careful about is a scenario, but we still know that we were, at least in the calendar year 2010, in a declining market. Negative GDP is a clear indicator of that. This is a declining market. Maybe some areas of the market were not declining, but all of the market was declining. The consumer spend was declining. Those are the indicators which are clear indicators for a crisis scenario. And even though we are seeing some positive trends in this half a year of the calendar year, I don't think we are there. So the prediction is that we will be in a back to, let's say, slow normality scenario in the fiscal year 12 for us, which is calendar year 11, second part, and the first half of the calendar year 2012. But I'm very cautious on that. And I have to say that the targets I'm putting on my organization from risk perspective are very, very, let's say, realistic. So I would call it realistic. So they are external institutions saying that the market will grow to a certain numbers. I'm not expecting a growth on the software market bigger than 1 digit. Let's say 1 digit, whatever it would be. And this is also how I want to run this organization. Nevertheless, for us as Microsoft Romania, we have chosen with the management team some priorities. The priorities are a clear consequence of what we did before, and there are 3 main priorities. One is, and it was already said, so we will be focusing much more stronger on, again, moving our brand in the consumer space to the next level. That's why we introduced worldwide organization which will be dealing with consumer market big way. So I can say that nearly 40% of my staff in this location is dealing with consumer products and consumer market. That's the one. And we are expecting here very positive results. Still we have some challenges on particular product lines being available in Romania. But when I look on the market and I see the adoption of our technologies there and also the excitement about our gaming consoles and the Kinect device which is showing, the second direction for us will be clearly moving us much higher in the importance level for our customers and partners. And this is why we will be working on the organization to having much stronger sales force in the enterprise, in the mid-market, and also in the small businesses, trying to make the market more understand what our products are able to deliver, what our solutions are able to deliver. Here we made already a lot of changes, how we structure ourselves, how we improve our processes, how we attracted several talents from the market. Third one, and this is the continuation of what we did for many years, is the way we are interacting with the government. I think that's a very important aspect of the business going into the future. There are many positive and negative scenarios seen in the past. There is a lot of, let's say, volatility in this area. Our approach this year will be to move to a much more structured and persistent, understandable way how we are interacting with the government. At the end of the day, there is one phrase which I'm using for the fiscal year for my organization, which is our motto, I would say, and this is, let's make Microsoft Romania much more important for Romania itself.